Guys, we're like a mile underground right now. We followed this crazy river, this epic waterfall that Ryan's climbing up. Crazy big. Trekking up this mountainside covered in rocks. We're gonna see if we can't find a cave up here. This area looks very, very cavey. So check it out. When you start seeing all these limestone rocks hanging out in the ground and you're in Tennessee, Alabama, or Georgia, you're pretty much guaranteed to find a cave. And we're in Alabama currently, but we don't do a whole lot out here. I think we're really gonna try and start because people have been finding some really cool stuff out here, and there's a lot to be discovered. So hope you enjoy this one. Big void in the earth with water coming out of it. Dang. That is crazy. There's already formations like in the entrance of it. And this waterfall just goes down. Dude, that's so much water. It does look like the cave. Oh wow. This is about to be sweet, guys. Keeps on going. I'm gonna try and wait up for these guys real quick, but this looks absolutely epic. Man, I would have loved to see this about 500,000 years ago when all these flowstones are going.
Yeah.
The roof here looks
water
crazy.
is always in a different channel when I come in here.
Weird. I guess that's actually not weird at all, but there goes Alex down the crawled pebbles. Dude. Dang, man. All this is flowstone. Hey, that someone had the spray paint all over this, man. It's a little ridiculous. As you get deeper and deeper in the cave, you start seeing less and less graffiti. Seems like a spot that high schoolers just want to go and escape reality.
That's not what I did with this place.
Yeah, no, that's what caving is, man. Just without the spray paint.
Yeah.
Got Ryan climbing up the flowstone. It's so pretty with all the water running down it.
Yeah.
That's why they call it a flowstone. Okay, so there's a waterfall. Let me turn you up a little bit. That's crazy. It's a little dusty up here, so it's kind of hard to get a good shot, but it definitely looks like there's a bunch more cave back here. And a nice 20-foot drop right beside me. Oh man, that gnarly little squeeze.
Right there.
No way. Dude. Check this out, guys. This rope is becoming one with the rock. It's just completely covered in calcite. If you look up here, you can see the actual color of the rope. And then it changes, and it looks like it's got a vein on it or something. That's so weird looking. All right, venturing a little bit further off into this cave here. That's pretty.
Yeah.
We're just going up around here, I'm guessing.
Yeah, yeah. Follow the water, man.
I hear it again, that's for sure. If you're ever lost in a cave, you can just follow the water and you'll find something. Maybe follow it out, not in, depending on what cave you're in. There's a little traverse line right here, it looks like. Huh. Right. Look at all this gorgeous flowstone. Got my slippery shoes on today. I don't want to slip right here. That would just suck. Beautiful. Gorgeous waterfall going down. Ryan for sale. And then, oh dude, more formation. All right, as we continue a little bit further in this cave, we're getting back here now. Dude. There's so many of these big cascading flowstones in this cave. I mean, even if you just look behind me, let me turn the light down. It's just, all of it's just pouring out of the ceiling. And it forms these big smooth rocks that are just super funky. I've somehow managed to stay pretty dry so far. I have a feeling that's about to end. Wow, look at these little cascading waterfalls. Just a mystery waterfall running out the side. This is big flowstone and goes in this basin right here. I'm gonna see what's up this. It looks like you go this way to get further in the cave, but you never know what you'll find if you follow some water. That's how these caves are formed, so there's water coming from somewhere. That means that there's more passage. It might not be human accessible, but this one looks like it very well could be. Oh. Snagged myself. Wow, dude. What is this? Just like a little... Oh, wow. Check it out. It just comes out from this little pool right here. And there's obviously enough of a flow to make that little waterfall coming down. Looks like the guys are finally making their way up to where I'm at. Climb down this flowstone. Oh, I about slipped. That's the funny thing with these POVs. You can't see a lot of the mishaps that I do with my feet as I'm trying to balance. I would hate to be in this when it floods. I do feel pretty good about it though, because we've been getting a lot of rain down here. And if this is as much as it flows, I think we'll be good. Oh yeah, it turns into a room right here. Slippery rock. Here comes Alex. Literally is like an underground stream. You asked me 10 years ago what I'd be doing in 10 years. I don't think I would have said this. I'm so happy this is the way life played out though. Oh, it looks like there's some stuff up there too. It's even got an arrow. Dude. Oh, look at all that flowstone back up there. Signature from '86. You go through the trickle?
Oh, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
It's going, dude. Guess we're getting up here now. Guys, we're like a mile underground right now. We follow this crazy river. this epic waterfall that Ryan's climbing up. We're about to go through a path or even further into the cave. See if I can't get up this without getting soaked. Oh, I'm gonna get soaked. Yeah. Heck yeah. Alright, we're up. You were talking about this thing. So Alex told me to go look at a waterfall, and I started walking towards this, and then I noticed this massive influx of water back here. I mean, there's just this ripping through the air right now. I can barely hear myself speak. Holy crap! What? That is crazy! Oh, you can't see anything, but you're in an intense waterfall.
Oh, dude, yeah, that's a big waterfall, isn't it?
Yeah, that's crazy!
Dude, I got a wind coming off of it.
Oh, I know! Then immediately as you come out of this giant waterfall, you got another one. This is like waterfall number 10 in this cave. I'm sorry guys, I know my audio might be a little messed up, my video is a little messed up, but we're soaked now, guys. Wow, it's crazy. The wind just stops right here. Yep. This all comes from the waterfall.
Another waterfall here.
This is what, waterfall like number 8?
Dude, I don't even know. There's a lot of them.
This is so dope. Wow, that's a really pretty one.
Dude, look up right here.
Oh my god.
Yeah, here, come over here and look.
That thing like,
It's even crazier from right here.
that thing's like barely propped up, bro.
Yeah.
A massive dome above it. About to get crushed by this rock, guys.
Yeah.
This looks pretty miserable, I'm not even gonna lie.
I was saying, like, from what I can see, I'm going to go with all that. Yeah.
Oh. See, I got the secret ingredient, wetsuit bottom. All right. I thought I was about to be able to stand up. Absolutely not.
No, opposite.
It's actually getting a little bit lower on me. Made it onto dry land. Holy cow, dude.
Yeah, dude, this work is fun.
Yeah. Dude, I completely understand.
You going?
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Man. Oh. Water's freezing. Get me. A little bit lower. Waterfall coming in the ceiling. So Alex is pushing up there a little bit. He says the water might be too high today and it's gonna sump out. But he's gonna be the test rat for this one. Alex says the water gets too high to the ceiling to pass through, but apparently this is almost the end of the cave anyway.
Almost, yeah.
So I guess I'm gonna try and get out of this creek here in a minute.
I get
Oh,
stand up right here if you know how.
yeah. Well, the crab walk. Oh man.
Yeah, I walked all the way here like this.
Guys, we just tried to push that creek as far as we could. We got a couple hundred feet and the water just got too close to the ceiling. So, I don't know, this might be the end of this cave, but we're gonna look for some other ways.
Four-wheel drive, man.
I have my bad boots on, so like nothing I stand on I trust.
Upgrade shoes, really.
They'd probably be better, honestly.
I can't even hang my legs straight down or my shoes fall off.
Yeah, I mean, these are just really slick. Like, I can't step on anything without the fear of sliding out. Like, right now, this is the most traction I've had this entire time and on my butt.
You're sitting on your handle.
Think I can get it this way?
Left hand, really good. Yeah.
All right. We found this upper passage on the way back. Ooh, kind of high off the ground right now. Dude, caves are like adult jungle gyms, man. This is so awesome. Dude.
Yeah.
This thing opens up. Oh, there's a bat on the ceiling.
There's a way that way too.
We gotta see what's back there, dude.
Yeah. Look at those crazy formations.
Wow. There's water straight running down that flowstone.
Yeah. Yeah, there definitely is. Huh.
Oh, formation room. Looks like it's about all it is, but we need to see it in all of its glory. Oh.
I think you may go right here, actually.
Oh God, there's an easier way.
I'll just take your word for it. No, you pretty.
Oh, Jesus. It's baking up. It goes, dude.
Do what?
It looks like it goes.
Your pants are caught.
Ugh. That's how you know it's a real crawl when it pulls your pants down.
Where's it going?
Goes back down to the river, and it also goes back here, but I might just pinch off immediately. I'm gonna go see what's down here. All right, so I'm crawling back here. Hey, dude, this goes! This is nuts, dude. I thought this was gonna be like some little tiny room, but look at that massive bacon. Hold on, these crawls have pulled my pants all the way down. All right, we're in the bacon room. Huh, just crawled out of that little crawlway. Signature from 1975. Huh. Yo! Does it keep on going? Ah, that's it. That's where it pinches. I'm gonna go regroup with the guys. And so when you're caving, on a situation like this, you want to leave this line over here for the next person. That would suck if the next person got right here and the line was just dangling in the waterfall, you know what I mean? So 2 months ago, this cave was completely dry. Just to kind of show you how rain will affect the cave, it's been raining for the past week here, and you see how much water is just steady flowing through this cave. That's kind of a scary thought, but if you keep on studying a particular cave, you see how it acts during heavy rainfall, you'll know if it floods or not. And Alex has grown up around this cave, so he gave us the green light. This won't flood. The water has gotten very, very high though. Daylight. We've been in this cave for a while, man. A beautiful, beautiful area. Check out these dirt dauber nests on the outside. Anyway, that was a really cool cave. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. And also, don't forget to follow these guys. I couldn't make any of these videos without them. Got Alex over at Underground Adventures. I'm sorry, Underground Explorers. And Ryan over at Underground Adventures. Go give them a follow too. As always, guys, I'll see you next week.